What is popping? I already know it's AT. What's happening, Tomlin gang? So about 8,000 times a day, y'all request to see a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna give you a hair tutorial. Y'all swear I got like a 1,000-step process, but I really don't. So I just washed it, you know, shampoo, condition. Now I'm gonna add some juice. I got some coconut whipped cream, leave-in. You don't need a lot. Well, I need a lot. I don't know about y'all. And I just apply. So when you take a shower, you wash your hair. Don't dry that hole with a towel. That's bad because it literally dries out everything. And you want some water because the trick is to apply your product while your hair is still wet. Like the more wet, the better it is. You feel me? So the more water it has, the better it's gonna come out. Don't ask why, because I don't know. So I gotta add a ton of this shit. So we gonna be here for a minute. And for those of you that be asking, yes, I got me some edges. I just be acting the fool. I just like wearing bandanas and hats all the time. Because make sure you get inside that hole. Like, if not, everything's gonna be nice and neat. In the middle, it's gonna be dry. So just like split it up, get everywhere in the hole. You feel me? Make sure you get everywhere in this hole. I gotta use the whole bottle sometimes. My shit be thirsty as shit. Put the bitch over here. Get underneath. Alright. Once you think you got some everywhere, when I mean everywhere, I mean everywhere. Now, just shake that whole, like, shake it like this. And part it how you want. I just let it dry like this. So I hurry up, pick that hoe up. It's gonna end up drying in my face. Or like this. Sooner or later. Like a little mushroom. Alright. Then what I like to do is take this and so I'll be back when this whole nice and dry so I can put it up because I hate this thing down. I really, really do. Also, sometimes, like, you get some straight pieces and you just snip at the bottom all the time because I don't want some straight pieces in your hair, you feel me? So just snip on that hole. Also, you can't, honestly, I just look under my sink and sometimes I'll add whatever I feel like. So I see this. It's Protect Grapefruit Instant Detangles and Protects All Day. Like this. Whatever I see. Spray this hoe. Smell good. Spray this hoe. You feel me? Boom. So, give me like 18 hours. I'll be back when that whole dry. I can show you how to put it up. Add a cap. And we goody. Alright, be back. Hair is about a good 80-85% dry. Inside is still damp, but it's cool. So now to put this Bad Mama Gemma up, what you need, some hair ties, scrunchies, gomitas, bugadukas, rubber bands, whatever y'all call it. These things that go in your hair. I use roughly about 3. It depends how tight you want it. I like my shit tight as fuck. So it just gets all the hair out my face. Cause it's been rough. You know, shrinkage on 2 million. Like, what's up? Y'all didn't think I'm bald-headed. Alright, so you grab your hair ties. I like to put this one a little higher so I won't grab it because this one stay on my wrist, always. So I move it out the way or take it off. Grab my hair ties. And these are brand new, so they're extra tight. Put it on my wrist. Grab some hair, just like this. Grab the front, then you gotta pull the middle, because the middle is kinky and it's the tightest and it's the curliest, so it likes to shrivel up. So you need to pull it out its territory, like so. Pull it off, then start pulling from the back, like this. Pull the middle, pull it off, like this, until you all got it in one hand. And the more dry you get it, the harder it's gonna be to pull up. So it's a little damp right now, so we could pull all that shit up. If you want to take a brush, your R&B. Alright. Then you're gonna put your hair ties on it like this. And make sure all the hair come out. I just wrap mine once, because that's all I need to do. Depending on your hair. like this. Grab your hat, bandana, whatever you want to do. Put that hoe on. Strap up like this. Pull some hair out like that, and you are swagging. Put this shit back on. That's it. Then start pulling. Easy as that. I already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. The quickest, easiest hair tutorial in your life. Wash your hair, add some leave-in, let it dry, leave it down, or you already know, I always pick it up. So pick it up.
Yeah, got me a real mistress, and she independent. My little bitch, she with it. Baby got big titties, and a fat ass, I'm about to hit it. So bad, she mean business. Squirt a lot of water out of kitty. You turning me on, yeah. Baby got long hair. I'm taking you home now. Yeah, me if I'm wrong. We connect like a cellular phone. Having sex, I'm in love with your